Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. My name is Ahmad Umar Hilmi. I'm a lecturer teaching manufacturing mechanical subject. For today's topic, I want to discuss about polynomial chaos expansion or PCE. Okay, this is a part of subject related to reliability analysis for my master student class. Okay. What is polynomial chaos expansion? Its technical definition is a mathematical technique used in uncertainty and quantification, representing a model output as an infinite series of orthogonal polynomials of the random units. In the layman's explanation, okay, to make it you more understand easily for non-technical student, uh, it is a sophisticated method for predicting outcomes in situations like unpredictable factors like predicting weather, considering temperature, humidity, and wind speed. Okay, so when we are talking about reliability analysis, uh, we are talking about things that we cannot predict, kan? So in terms of equation that suitable for us, formula that suitable for us, this is among uh, the formula, the method that people use to predict uncertainties. Okay, such as weather and everything lah. So this is called polynomial chaos expansion. So significant in computational modeling. Okay, uncertainty quantification, like PCE excels in quantifying uncertainties and computational models, particularly when dealing with random input variables. Efficient computation of statistical moments enables the efficient computation of statistical moments, sensitivity analysis, and risk assessment. Adaptability to different probability distribution. PCE can adapt to various types of probability distribution. Okay, balancing accuracy and uh, computational efficiency, and versatile in complex predictive modeling. So another areas of application like such as weather forecasting utilize PCE for predicting complex weather pattern by considering multiple fluctuating factors such as temperature, humidity, and wind speed. In engineering, can apply its various engineering things for system design and analysis, especially where direct formulation under all possible random inputs is computationally prohibitive. Medical simulation can be used in medical simulation for predicting outcome under uncertain condition. Okay, risk assessment and financial model is put in financial sector for risk assessment and sensitivity analysis. Aerospace engineering, in aerospace, PCE helps in design analysis where safety and reliability are paramount. Okay, there are 10 steps to do polynomial chaos expansion. The first one is you to define the problem and identify random variables. So the input require the clear definition of model system identification of uncertain input parameters. Number two, to choose an appropriate polynomial basis. So the input required the knowledge of probability distribution of input random variables. And number two is process select polynomial basis such as Hermite, Legendre, etc. based on this distribution. Okay, step number three is truncate the polynomial chaos series, which is the input required determine the polynomial order and number of terms, and the process is the apply transient rule balancing accuracy and computational efficiency. Okay, number four is generate an experimental design. So input is the method of sampling input random space such as Monte Carlo, and process is create sample points in random space to compute the system response. Okay, step number six is evaluate the model. The input required to computational model system. Process the run model at each ED point to obtain outputs. Okay, step number seven is compute PCE coefficients. So input required model evaluation and polynomial basis, and process use regression technique to compute expansion coefficient. Step number eight is validate and analyze PCE model. So input required is validation or data or cross validation method. Process is access accuracy by comparing prediction with validation data. Step number 9 is post-processing for uncertainty quantification. So input required is PCE model and conversion, and process is employ model for tasks such as sensitivity analysis and process assessment, etc. And optional is that the model is refinement of the model itself. These are the key areas for future exploration of PCE. Uh, these facts are taken from the 8 journals that I analyzed in making this note. Okay, they are like such as like towed cable and ship design, integrated energy system, enhancing methodological approaches like handling dependent inputs, advanced technique like explore additive sparse PCE, and advanced polynomial chaos technique, and then addressing complex system challenges, so extreme oriented analysis and stochastic dynamic analysis. Okay. Okay, other areas for exploration in PCE, such as in clinical and biological application, so such as blood pump performance analysis, focus on clinically relevant operating point and specific variables in medical simulation, and integration with machine learning. So with sequential relevance vector machine and active learning and domain adaptation, such as domain adaptive localized PCE. These are the references. There are 8 references. All of them are taken in 2024, 2023 punya research. Okay. All these are latest references. You can see all the titles are related to polynomial chaos expansion. So much due respect to these authors. Okay. Okay. These are the ebook that I created about polynomial chaos expansion, which contain the research gaps and step by step to use PCE in the research. Based on these 8 researches, I've done analysis of it using Softwaretheses, and with the help of Chatgpt, the content are there. I extract the content and make it at the writing. So this is the book. Therefore, for those who want to get this book, you can get it from Amazon.com. Kan? Okay. So that's all. Thank you very much. See you the next slide, inshallah.